Hello, welcome to new video. In this video you are going to make rose water at home because you know that rose water is very good for skin. It's the best skin toner. For this purpose you have to take fresh roses and you have to separate rose petals one by one, just like the way you are watching in video, and place them inside a plate. Now you have to add water to rinse these rose petals to remove any dust or any impurities. Take a pot and place a jar inside that pot, and then you have to place rose petals around that bowl, just like the way you are watching. Then you have to take water and pour water in that pot till that petals become covered with water. Place another ball in that bowl to collect the rose water. Then you have to cover that pot and cover the lid and bring it to a boil. When it will get boiled, you have to place ice cubes on the plate so that steam become condensed, and when it become condensed it will be collected into that bowl which we have placed inside that pot. After this, when ice will melt, you have to collect that water and discard it. And you have to repeat this process until the whole rose water will get collected. You have to wait for 25 to 30 minutes. Yes, now you can see that rose water have collected into that ball. Now place it into a separate jar for future use and apply it to your skin. It is the best skin toner and you will see the magic after regular use of this rose water. It's natural and it's even more clean and pure. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.